Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain how to use pullback indicators for day trading. This week I will be uploading content in English so that people who are unable to understand Hindi, so that they are also able to understand. Currently I am using 3 indicators. When you subscribe to pullback indicators, you get 4 separate indicators. One is pullback price action indicator, pullback momentum and pullback range breakout indicator. All these 4 indicators are merged in one indicator. So in TradingView, it will be counted as a single indicator. Along with this, you will get a stock screener. Whenever there's a buy sell signal, it will automatically get displayed. You can use this indicator on your mobile and laptop. To use this indicator, you don't require a premium version of TradingView account. You can use it in your free TradingView account. So currently I'm using pullback price action indicator and pullback range breakout indicator. Once you apply the indicator on chart, you will automatically see these are the resistance zones, these are the support levels, this is the CPR band, this is buy sell signals, this is range breakout, this line is the supply zone and this line is the demand zone. These 4 lines are the moving averages. And this green and red line which flows with the candles is the trend line. Once indicator is applied, all this will get automatically implemented on the chart. Currently you are seeing Bank Nifty on 5-minute time frame. You can use Bank Nifty on different time frames on 5 minutes, 3 minutes and 1 minute. When we are trading Bank Nifty on 5-minute time frame, we will trade only on buy sell signals. The condition is when we get a buy signal, the signal has to be above all these 4 moving averages, then only we will consider this trade. There are 2 steps for entry. The first one is, as the signal candle high is broken, you can enter into the trade. If you want to play a bit safer, then wait for a retest like this. Let it go up or let it come down and then let it break, and once the signal candle high is broken, you will enter, and the stop loss will be signal candle low or the previous candle of the signal candle. The low will be the stop loss. And here you might think the stop loss got triggered while retest, but actually not. Whenever you keep a stop loss, try to add some buffer points. Buffer points are adding some additional points to your stop loss. Just try to add 10 to 15 points buffer points, and then you can trail your stop losses. Let's say after retest you have entered somewhere here. Now this will be your first target, second target, third target. As price moves, you can trail your stop loss. So in this buy signal, we roughly managed 250 points, and after that you can see a bullish range breakout, but after 2:30 p.m. we will not enter into any trade. Now let me show you Bank Nifty chart on 3-minute time frame. For buy sell signals, you can trade on 1 minute and 5 minutes. You can prefer this timing. And for range breakout, you can prefer 1 minute and 3 minute, right? 3-minute time frame, I'm considering only range breakout signal. Yes, if we have super buy or super sell signal, then we can consider 1, 3 as well as 5 minutes. And for super buy sell, we can consider 1 minute, 3 minute as well as 5-minute time frame. So here you can see we got a bullish range breakout, but the retest happened after a lot of time. So I'm not considering any trade on 3-minute time frame. Now this is Bank Nifty 1-minute time frame, right? On the very first candle, we have got a super buy. Super buy means when pullback indicator and range breakout indicator, both the separate indicators generate a buy signal on the same candle, then we call it as a super buy. And on this stock screener also, it will be displayed as super buy. Super buy strategy is very simple. Once you get a super buy signal, you need to wait when the high is broken. If you want to play a bit safe, then you have to wait for a retest and breakout. See, when you do scalping in 1-minute time frame on buy sell signals or range breakout, our strategy is only retest and breakout. But for super buy, you can enter as it gives a direct breakout, but if you want to play safe, you can wait for a retest, and again you will enter once the high is broken, and the super buy candle low will be your stop loss with some buffer points. And on this super buy, we managed close to 200 points. Then we have a sell signal, retest, and then breakdown. Here notice one thing very carefully. When we have a buy or sell signal, this red color dotted lines is the previous day high, right? Previous day high. When there is a sell signal or buy signal just below the previous day high or previous day low, then you need to wait. When a candle breaks and gives a closing below the previous day high, then only you need to enter, because most of the time what happens, price gives a U-turn from previous day high, or many times market goes sideways from here for a long time. So what happens in that case also, again you will be losing on premium. If you enter here, your target will be here. Let's say you got a signal here, the candle is here, retest, breakout, so you need to exit somewhere here, right? Now again there is a buy signal, but the signal candle is a indecision candle. If we get signals, buy or sell signals on indecision candles like this or like this type of candles, then we'll ignore the trade. Or when the VIX is very big like this. So these are the examples of indecision candle, and the buy signal has to be on a green candle and the sell signal has to be on a red candle. Then again we have a bullish range breakout, but direct breakout without any retest. If you want to enter on direct breakout without retest, you can enter. In that case what will happen, your number of trades will be high. Sell signal, retest, and here target achieved. When you enter into the trade, you need to start booking your profit after every 50 points on index. Wonderful signals. After retest market went up, but this is after 2:30 p.m. Any trade which generates after 2:30 p.m. we won't be doing intraday. Now this is previous day crude oil chart. For crude oil we'll use 5-minute time frame. On the very first candle we have a buy signal, and you can see after retest also we have a very good breakout. Technically we will not enter into the trade because the candle size is very big. If you look carefully, if you enter into this trade and if it goes wrong, your SL will be very high, more than 100 points. If we get a buy or sell signal on any stock, Bank Nifty, crude oil, whatever, if the candle size is very big, we will ignore into the trade, right? Because in that case we won't be able to match our risk reward. Then we have a bullish range breakout, retest, and then breakout, giving us almost 200 points. Then a sell signal, but the signal candle is on a indecision candle, ignore. We will also ignore trade if the signal candle is very small. This is previous day chart. Today's chart I'll show you tomorrow because the market is still open. Forex USD gold spot. Again this is previous day chart. Today's chart I'll show you tomorrow because market is still open. For Forex we can trade on 15-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame, and we can also consider 1 hour time frame. So this is 15-minute chart. Very simple strategy. Again a buy signal here on the first candle, retest, breakout, and once there is a breakout happening, you can enter onto the buy side. We will stick to retest and breakout method because this has more potential. The signal candle low or the previous candle low will be our stop loss, and you can see after the buy signal market also went up. Then we have a sell signal and direct breakout without any retest, and the market closes here. Let me show you in stocks. This is Reliance chart. For stocks, intraday buy signal, we can mostly prefer 1 minute, 5 minute, and you can also consider 3 minutes. For stocks, we can prefer buy sell signals on 5 minute or 3 minute time frame, range breakout on 1-3 minute time frame, and super buy, super sell 1 minute, 3 minute as well as 5 minute. First we got a sell signal here. If a buy or sell signal is generated just below the CPR band or pivot, you need to ignore the trade. Even after retest, if it breaks down, you will not enter. If a signal is generated inside the CPR band, whether a buy signal or sell signal, you need to ignore. If a buy or sell signal is 80% outside the CPR band, then only we will consider it. But in these cases, we will strictly ignore. Even after retest, if we get a breakdown, we'll ignore. Buy signal generated on chart, retest and breakout. and then look at this upside move. One more thing is, after buy signal you can see a bullish range breakout, but we will not take any fresh trades as both signals are on the buy side. Then this trade continues. Right? Very simple and effective indicator. Practice for few days, do a couple of paper trades, and then you are all set. That's all for today. I hope all of you had a profitable day today. If you want to subscribe this indicator, link is in the description.